Welcome to this video. Today we will cover Excel formulas. Formulas are used for simple calculations such as adding or subtracting. For example, we want to add up these two numbers to see how much our ski equipment is going to cost. To create a formula, let's look at a few basics. All formulas start with an equal sign. All formulas contain at least one math operator, such as the plus sign. This tells the program which operation to perform, such as adding. The other math operators are minus sign, star for multiplying, and / for dividing. There are other operators, such as brackets, which will be covered later. When you create your formula, you'll be referring to the cell addresses of the cells where the values are located. Cell addresses are always expressed as column letter first, row number second, such as B4, never 4B. In a formula, the cell address is not case sensitive. Let's start the process. Click in the cell to receive the formula. We can refer to this as the results cell. Type an equal sign. Type the cell address of the first cell. Type the math operator. Type the cell address of the next cell. If this is the end of the formula, press Enter. Notice you have moved down one cell from the result cell. This happens by default. The result of the formula is now showing in the results cell. To see the actual formula that you composed in order to check your work, click back in the results cell and then look toward the top of the screen. Notice that the formula you typed is displayed at the top of the screen in the area known as the formula bar. Here are some other examples where you could use a simple formula. Adding up expenses for your ski trip for the total expense. Starting with the reserve fund amount and subtracting utilities used to calculate the amount remaining in the fund. Taking the cost of an item such as bus fare and multiplying it by the number of people to see the total bus fare. Taking the amount for the total cost of dinner and dividing it by the number of staff to split the bill evenly. Let's add these numbers, but this time, instead of typing the cell addresses, we'll click in the cells to be added. So again, click in the results cell, type the equal sign, and this time, instead of typing the cell address, just click in the cell. Then as before, you're going to type the math operator, such as the plus sign. Click in the other cell this time, and that's the end of it. You can see that it has composed the formula here, and then you press Enter as before. For next steps, check out the next video in this series, which will show you how to create an Excel function. Thank you for watching this video.